So today I am back with another DIY project. We are in our master bathroom. We've already made some big changes in here. We painted the walls. We just changed out these mirrors as well as the light fixtures. So the next thing on my to-do list is painting this vanity. We have two of them and they really needed a fresh coat of paint to brighten them up and bring them back to life. So I'm going to be painting them with some Fusion mineral paint. I've never used it before, but I've heard it's really great. It's waterproof, which is perfect for the bathroom. You don't need a top coat, which saves another step. So I'm excited to give this a try and have you guys follow along. All right, so the first thing, I'm going to show you guys all of the materials I brought. So for this project, I just grabbed a couple of different things. I have some Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray to clean the cabinets before I get started painting, and I have some shop towels to wipe them down. I have an extra rag that I'm going to wet to wipe down the cabinets after I clean them to make sure there's no more residue, and also some sanding items to give the cabinets a quick sand to make sure there's no leftover gunk or grease or anything from fingerprints or like hair care products or anything. And then I'm going to wipe them down again with that wet rag. I brought two different painting tools. I got these rollers, and then I also just have a brush as well because I'm not sure which method I'm going to like first. And then also some tape so I can tape off the floor and the wall. And of course the paint. So I'm super excited to get this project going. I have my gloves right here, so can't mess up my hands or my nails, of course. So without further ado, let's get this project started. I'm so excited for this transformation and I can't wait to see the finished results.
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me. You're picking a fight, it's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a lifelong celebration. Go but good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you.